This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a thermal printer to Vyapar. First, ensure your thermal printer is powered on and connected to your device, either via a USB cable or Bluetooth. Next, open the Vyapar application on your mobile phone or desktop computer. Once open, navigate directly to the main settings menu within the application. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful setup process, preparing your system for seamless printing operations. Within the Vyapar settings, locate and select the printer settings or print option. From there, choose thermal printer as your desired printer type. If you are using a Bluetooth connection, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both your device and the printer, and pair them. For a USB connection, confirm that the necessary printer drivers are installed on your computer for proper recognition. After selecting your printer, it's time to perform a test print directly from Vyapar. This step is vital to confirm the connection is working correctly. Carefully examine the printed output to ensure it is clear and legible. If the print isn't perfect, you might need to adjust the print size or margins slightly within the settings. Should any issues arise, double-check your cables or Bluetooth pairing. Once your test print is successful and you are satisfied with the output, remember to save your printer settings within Vyapar. Congratulations, your thermal printer is now fully configured and ready for daily use, allowing you to effortlessly generate bills and receipts. Always ensure your printer has enough paper and is powered on before printing. For longevity, consider regularly cleaning the print head.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.